One of our workshops that we have is called See Me as a Person. And See Me as a Person takes those 4 therapeutic behaviors of attuning, wondering, following, and holding, and helps you use those behaviors to really deepen that therapeutic relationship you have with your patient and their family. So let me talk to you a little bit about those behaviors. So attunement, attuning with another person is really that one-to-one, maintaining that eye contact, making sure that you're not letting the distractions of the world get in the way, that you're really listening to what they say. And then wondering is, as you're listening, really starting to question, I wonder why they're saying that. I wonder what happened to them before in their life to make them feel that way. I wonder why they're so angry. I wonder. And then following is asking those questions. Tell me about your past experience with healthcare. And then maybe they'll tell you, you know what, like last time I was here, I waited forever to hear my test results. You don't understand how anxiety provoking this is. But we don't find that out unless we ask the questions. And our patients are more than willing to tell us when we ask the right questions. Holding then is when our patients feel that we have their back and we trust them and we will be their advocates for them because they can't always speak for themselves and they're relying on us to advocate for their needs. And they know that we'll do that for them. They know that we're going to explain what the doctor just told them or what somebody else just told them. They know we're going to be there to help them navigate through that really complex healthcare system because they feel held. And they feel safe with us. And that is so, so important. And so the 2-day See Me as a Person workshop really focuses on those behaviors that we use with our patients, but not just with our patients, right? Because we can use those same behaviors with our coworkers. We can attune, wonder, and follow with our colleagues, and they will feel held and safe with us. And then we use these same behaviors with ourselves. I need to attune with myself because some days I say something and I'm like, what is up with me today? Like, why did I just come across like that? And I need to kind of check myself at the door. And sometimes, though, I need to give myself some grace. We're really quick to do that with our colleagues and give them grace. But sometimes we're a little harder on ourselves than we are with our colleagues and with other people. And so See Me as a Person workshop helps you understand how to use these behaviors, not just with our patients and our customers, but also with our colleagues and with ourselves. And it just is valuable life skills that it teaches you. And I use these skills with my family, with my friends, outside of work, within work, really, really valuable skills that you can use for your life.